Judging from certain surveys, the people of Slovenia are a very charitable nation. Some years ago, Marko Soršak-Soki, a member of the Elvis Jackson Band, embarked on an exciting charity project. On the 20th anniversary of his drumming career, he decided to donate music instruments to elementary schools to make children happy and allow them to become engaged in music.
In 2012, Elvis Jackson's drummer Marko Soršak-Soki celebrated his 20th anniversary of working as a musician. He didn't want a party with a cake. Instead, he chose to honor the occasion with an emphasis on charity. He and 20 of his musician friends made a documentary featuring music and an interview. Donors can buy the resulting DVD to contribute to the purchase of drums and guitars for Slovenian primary school pupils. This successful charity project was later joined by numerous other Slovenian musicians, companies and individuals.
Ozadje tega, oziroma gonilo, ni samo otrokom dati glasbila.
The idea behind it, or its intent, is much more than merely supplying children with instruments, which is of course the basic goal. We have had surprising responses. For example, the project delights children, motivates teachers, and lends them the tools for creativity. School bands are being formed and children communicate much more. The teachers say that this is reflected in higher grades attained by pupils and also less violence within schools.
The Drago Kobal Primary School in Maribor was among the first to receive instruments. The results of the charity project are already showing themselves.
There were many pupils at the school who wanted to play but never had access to instruments, especially drums. This caused a proper revolution because the pupils became terribly enthusiastic about this instrument.
A music society was organized at the school. They started putting on musical plays. As a result of the project, as many as 3 school bands were generated. In addition, this school year alone, a group performance music class was also introduced.
Marko Soršak-Soki is my greatest role model.
I think I'm speaking for the whole band when I say we are very happy that he gave us the drums and guitar so that we can have a band and perform.
I don't have a favorite drummer, but if I had to name one as a role model, someone who supports me, that would be my teacher Marko.
Thus far, more than 40 primary schools received musical instruments. Soki's goal is to get to 100 schools. He also wants to take his idea beyond Slovenia. The charity project has already received attention in Canada and Japan. This is because Soki is a representative of Tama, a well-known drum manufacturer. This company also contributed musical instruments for Slovenian children.
Smo pa se tudi pogovarjali, da bi, ko bo 100. osnovna šola obiskana, da pride tudi oni osebno v Slovenijo predati glasbila.
We talked about them attending the 100th primary school visit to bestow instruments in person. They liked the whole thing or the idea behind the project so much that they want to invest more. They want to expand the project throughout the world with the help of world-renowned musicians.
Project 20 for 20 also earned Soki the Jabolko Navdiha or Apple of Inspiration Award, which is bestowed by the Slovenian President Borut Pahor, as well as Žaromet in the Searchlight Media Award for Socially Responsible Project.
We can't thank Soki enough for what he did for us and numerous generations of children, bringing them closer to their dreams. Not just closer, but for making their dreams come true.
I admit I often shed a tear. There are many emotional moments, but it is this authentic joy of the children and the joy of the teachers as well that makes doing all of this worthwhile.